Well, let's start with the big story that we are tracking this hour, where U.S. President Donald Trump has proposed the biggest U.S. tax overhaul in almost 3 decades. Now, he's offered to cut taxes for most Americans, but has prompted criticism that the plan actually favors the rich, and the companies could add trillions of dollars to the deficit. Now, Trump has vowed to reduce corporate tax rate to 20%, one of the lowest in 3 years. Now, the proposal mainly aims at helping the working people and also creating jobs, but faces an uphill battle in the Congress. Now, the Republicans plan to lower the corporate tax and also cut taxes for small businesses and reduce top income tax rate for individuals. But no major legislative success has been produced since Trump took office in January earlier this year. Now, the White House has said that under the proposal, typical middle-class families would have less of their income subject to federal income tax.
Our framework includes our explicit commitment that tax reform will protect low-income and middle-income households, not the wealthy and well-connected. They can call me all they want. It's not going to help. I'm doing the right thing, and it's not good for me, believe me.
Now, the chairman of the U.S. House of Representatives Ways and Means Committee has said that the panel was ready to turn a Republican tax proposal into a legislation which could be passed by the end of this year.
To summarize what this is about getting America going again and growing again, providing jobs and opportunity here rather than overseas, providing middle-class tax relief for hardworking American families so they can get ahead. Put another way, taking money out of Washington and putting it in the pockets of our citizens.
Meanwhile, U.S. Senate Democrat leader Chuck Schumer has actually accused Trump of raising taxes on the middle classes and the working class Americans and favoring the corporates in the economy.
They raised the bottom rate from 10 to 12%, the lowest rate on the poorest and working class Americans. So what the plan does is the top rate on the wealthiest comes down, and the bottom rate on working class families goes up. What kind of plan is this? Republicans will argue that they double the standard deduction so it covers the raise in the lower rate. Bunk. By repealing the personal exemption, Republicans are once again raising taxes on middle class and working Americans.